Do you know what the best part of life is?
It's doing things you love.
Exactly, your hobbies.
Today, we're going to talk about our hobbies in English.
Real conversation, simple words, easy to follow.
By the end, you'll know how to talk about your hobbies too.
Ready? Let's go.
Hi, Jack. How are you today?
Hey, Emma. I'm good, thanks. I'm really excited today.
Oh? Why are you excited?
Because yesterday, I started a new hobby. I started learning guitar.
That's amazing. I love guitar music.
Yeah, me too. What about you, Emma? What are your hobbies?
Well, I have a few hobbies. I like reading books. I also like cooking.
Nice. What kind of books do you read?
I read mystery books. I love mystery stories. They're very interesting.
Cool. I don't read much, but I like watching movies.
Movies are fun too. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies, and sometimes I watch comedies.
Comedies are great. They make me laugh.
Exactly. So, Emma, how often do you read?
I read every day, usually before bed. Maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Wow, every day. That's a lot.
Yeah, it helps me relax. What about you? How often do you play guitar?
Right now, I practice every evening, about 30 minutes.
That's good. Practicing every day is important.
Yeah, my teacher said the same thing. Practice makes perfect.
Absolutely. So, Jack, why did you start playing guitar?
Well, I always loved music, and I wanted to learn something new.
That's a great reason. Learning new things is fun.
Yeah, and it's relaxing too. When I play guitar, I forget about work.
I understand. That's how I feel when I cook.
You said you like cooking. What do you like to cook?
I like making pasta, and I love baking cakes and cookies.
That sounds delicious. Do you cook every day?
Not every day, maybe 3 or 4 times a week. On weekends, I bake.
Nice. Baking is a great hobby.
Thanks. It's creative and fun. Plus, I can eat what I make.
That's the best part.
Exactly. So, Jack, do you have any other hobbies?
Yeah, I also like photography. I take photos with my phone.
Oh, what do you take photos of?
Mostly nature. Trees, flowers, the sky. Sometimes I take photos of buildings.
That sounds beautiful. Do you share your photos online?
Sometimes I post them on Instagram. Not very often, though.
Cool. I should follow you.
Sure, I'll send you my username later.
Great. You know, I also like gardening.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, I have a small garden at home. I grow flowers and some vegetables.
What kind of vegetables?
Tomatoes, lettuce, and herbs, like basil and mint.
That's awesome. Fresh vegetables are the best.
Yes, and it's very relaxing. I water my plants every morning.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. It's my favorite way to start the day.
I can imagine. So, Emma, when did you start gardening?
About 2 years ago, during the pandemic, I had a lot of free time.
Oh, yeah. Many people started new hobbies then.
Exactly. What about you? When did you start photography?
Maybe 5 years ago? I got a new phone with a good camera.
And you just started taking photos?
Yeah, at first just for fun, then I really enjoyed it.
That's how hobbies start sometimes. Just trying something new.
True. Speaking of trying new things, do you want to learn any new hobbies?
Good question. I think I want to learn painting.
Painting? Like with a brush and canvas?
Yes, watercolor painting. It looks so beautiful.
It does. Have you tried it before?
No, not yet. But I want to start soon. Maybe next month.
You should. I think you'd be good at it.
Thanks. What about you? Any new hobbies you want to try?
I want to learn cooking, actually.
Really? That's great.
Yeah, I'm not very good at cooking now. I usually just make simple food.
Well, I can teach you some easy recipes.
That would be amazing. Thank you, Emma.
No problem. We can cook together sometime.
I'd love that. So, Emma, do you think hobbies are important?
Yes, definitely. Hobbies make life more interesting.
I agree. They help us relax and have fun.
Exactly. And they help us meet new people too.
That's true. I met some friends in my guitar class.
See? That's wonderful. Hobbies connect people.
Yeah, and they give us something to talk about.
Right, like we're doing now.
Exactly. So, what's your favorite thing about your hobbies?
I think it's the feeling of creating something. When I cook or garden, I make something with my hands.
That's a great feeling. I feel the same when I take a good photo.
Yes, it's satisfying.
Do you ever feel stressed about your hobbies?
Sometimes, like when I'm baking and the cake doesn't look perfect.
Oh, I understand. I feel stressed when I can't play a guitar song correctly.
But that's normal, right? We're learning.
True. We shouldn't be too hard on ourselves.
Exactly. Hobbies should be fun, not stressful.
I agree. That's why they're called hobbies, not work.
Good point.
So, Emma, do you spend money on your hobbies?
Yes, a little bit. I buy seeds for my garden and ingredients for baking.
That makes sense. I spend money on guitar lessons.
That's a good investment. Learning from a teacher is helpful.
Yeah, it is. What about photography? Do you spend money on that?
Not really. I just use my phone. But some people buy expensive cameras.
True. Hobbies can be expensive or cheap.
Right. It depends on what you choose.
Exactly. You don't need a lot of money to enjoy a hobby.
That's true. Reading is cheap. You can borrow books from the library.
Yes, and walking is free. That's a great hobby, too.
Absolutely. I like walking in the park.
Me too. It's good exercise and very relaxing. So, Emma, what advice would you give to someone who wants to start a new hobby?
Good question. I think just start. Don't wait for the perfect time.
That's great advice. What else?
Try different things. You might not like the first hobby you try.
True. It's okay to change your mind.
Exactly. And don't compare yourself to others.
Oh, that's important. Everyone learns at their own pace.
Right. Just enjoy the process.
I love that. Enjoy the process, not just the result.
Yes. What about you, Jack? What advice would you give?
I'd say start small. Don't buy expensive equipment right away.
That's smart. Test the hobby first.
Exactly. And find a community. It's more fun with other people.
Oh, yes. Like a class or an online group.
Right. You can learn from others and make friends.
That's wonderful advice.
Thanks. So, Emma, do you think we should try each other's hobbies?
What do you mean?
Like, maybe you could try playing guitar, and I could try gardening.
Oh, that's a fun idea.
Yeah, we could teach each other.
I'd love that. When should we start?
How about next weekend?
Perfect. I'm excited already.
Me too. This will be fun.
Definitely. Trying new things is always an adventure.
Absolutely. Well, Emma, I think we've talked a lot about hobbies today.
Yes, we have. It was a great conversation.
I learned a lot, and I'm inspired to try new hobbies.
Me too. Thanks for chatting with me, Jack.
Thank you too, Emma. This was fun.
So, to everyone listening, what are your hobbies?
Yeah, think about it. What do you like to do in your free time?
And if you don't have a hobby yet, maybe try something new this week.
Great idea. Start small and see what you enjoy.
Exactly. Life is more interesting with hobbies.
Well said, Emma. Okay, everyone. Thanks for listening.
Yes, thank you. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.